Hi guys, Amy here. Today I'll be doing a clean girl makeup look. How are you guys? How are you doing? If you're new, please subscribe. If you're, a constant visitor, karibu. So right into it. Here I'm just putting kind of like my skin tone, but with a bit more of a warmer rather a cooler undertone concealer on my dark spots and on my naturally darker areas of my face, because we want a very seamless base. Like if we can achieve perfection, here's where it's at. Yeah, so I'm just dotting. I have so many dark spots, mainly because I have like acne issues, and skin is skin, right? But I love my skin has come a long way, and yeah, I'm proud of where it's at right now. Also, if I could mention, I used vitamin C cream as a base, because I didn't want that pale makeup look like in the end. Because with clean girl makeup, if you don't know, you have to have like a juicy base. The skin has to be pang, glowing from the inside out. Now I'm just going ahead to draw my eyebrows on. I'm using a very sharp pencil. I realized that if I don't use a very sharp pencil, then my eyebrows look a little too dark or a little too out there. And for this look, we're trying to be natural, like my skin, but better. Yeah, so I'm just drawing my eyebrows and just following my natural brow line. I'm lucky to have like the already shaped by God eyebrows. Then after drawing them on, I went on ahead to just blend my concealer. It's good to kind of let it the plane, it's good to let it sit a little bit so that it's a little tacky while you blend it in. That way it has more coverage. So that's a tip right there. And concealer is generally a little thicker than foundation, so if you can make it a little thicker by letting it stay for a bit before blending it out, then you get like extreme coverage. I know I look crazy right now. I do but walk with me. The end result is gonna be amazing, in my opinion. So I just continued to blend it out everywhere that I had put it on, not fully to a point that ishe, but just enough to cover and kind of give me a seamless base, or something close to that. You'll notice I didn't blend it all out. I just blended the necessary parts, and then I'll move on to the next step. Yeah, so blend. Oh, and the trick with this look is you have to make sure you have like everything goes with each other very seamlessly. Everything is blended out nicely. Everything has that camera ready look. So here we're going to foundation. My foundation is making me look even crazier. I know. It will come together. Trust me. So I've just done my foundation, dotted it around the face, pretty much everywhere. Literally everywhere. So afterwards, I'm just gonna blend it in, and I won't be using a brush to blend it in because brushes are more glam look vibes. Yeah, if you guys would like me to do another look with a brush, then yeah, you'll see the difference. Oh, and I just used my foundation to conceal my eyebrows because here, like we said, skin but better, so we need a more natural vibe with everything that we have. So I want it to look like it's just my skin from a distance, so I just used my foundation to kind of conceal my brows, and then went on ahead to blend. Yeah, it will come together, and as you can see right now, we have a bit of a hollow brow going, but pole tu. With makeup you need to have patience, otherwise I don't even know, things won't come together. I learned patience from makeup, I kid you not. I was a very impatient person when I was a kid. Wow, hey, if things don't come together, then I'm just not there for it. So I would just conceal my eyebrows and then slowly blend out. You don't want to move the product, you want it to just stay on the skin but to look kind of skin-like. I can't emphasize this enough. So moving on to my blender. I actually got this blender at like 50 bob. Should I do a video where I just say where I got like my makeup stuff from, and then the knockoff ones, because all broke girl friendly ones? Yeah, if you'd like, I'll do it, and then we can have like a sort of helping each other situation. Yeah, so here I just went on ahead to blend. As you can see, it's coming together. I put my foundation everywhere, including my eyelids, including my under eye area, and then like I blended, like nearly blend. Ukiona sahi, it's almost coming together to look like my, what do we call it, like if you see the skin on my arm or the skin on my neck area, you see like it's a bit lighter because we're gonna contour and stuff, but to bring it together, but you get, yeah. So after blending everything, and then now guys, just pardon the lighting, yeah, just pardon the lighting. I don't know what got into my eyes, so it's kind of red, the right one. I think I touched it or something. But yeah, I'm just using a lighter powder, kind of like a skin powder, but 2 shades lighter than my actual skin tone, to powder highlight. I don't like using concealer for my natural or clean girl makeup looks after foundation, because again, it gives me that glam vibe, and I'm not that girl. This is also like my everyday look, like when I'm going for maybe an interview or like a dinner, like a dinner date, whatever. I haven't gone for those in a while, but you get my point. So as you can see, I'm kind of highlighted, but not really, because of the brush and because of the powder and no concealer. Then I go on ahead and just go and like tap on my smile line areas, the areas I want to highlight, on my eyelids, on my forehead. I don't know if you guys can notice, but if you look keenly, you'll see like there's that highlighted effect. Yeah. Moving on, I go on ahead and contour my nose, just like a powder or an eyeshadow that is 2 shades darker than my natural look or my natural skin tone. As you can see, we don't want to look flat, so now we're just bringing back the structure to the face, and we're contouring the nose where we move on the products a little bit on the on the eyelid. Nami hata simkamba okay, on the eyelid. Let me try that again, on the eyelid. So I gone ahead and blend. As you can see, now my nose looks, it looks like kind of not too much, not too flat, not too, because foundation gives you that extreme vibe on your nose. Like, it makes your nose look a little bigger. Now I'm using the same color to contour my face, just to powder contour. Again, cream products are for more glam looks, so I prefer to powder contour. And with this, you can also go ham, and it won't look too much. You can go light, and like, also if you want to learn how to contour, anza na powder contour kwanza. It's going to be easier. It's easier to control powder products and to blend them than it is cream products, in my opinion at least. So I'm going ahead and just doing that, and you can't see much of a difference, but if you are keen enough, I'm sure you've noticed. And then now I'm using a very light eyeshadow. It's not a shimmery one. It looks kind of like pressed powder, but this is way lighter than the powder I used under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. So this is just to highlight my brow bone area and to make it look, a lot more words. Like, I actually did my brows, not flat faced. Does that make sense? I hope it does. And then going ahead to just blend using another brush, because why not, and moving the contour product to just blend with the highlight vizuri. Just admiring my brows over there, because I have to. If I don't, who will? Alafu there, I went on ahead with some sort of blush, but unfortunately it's not picking up on camera. I don't know why, but okay, pardon me. Blush. So the blush I used is a bit more of a maroon than pink. Now it's beginning to show, so you can do as much blush as you want. I generally don't like doing too much blush on my face because I don't want to look like I don't want to not look like myself. Yeah. So I just do that, and then now you can see it coming through. You can't have a clean girl makeup look without a bit more of a sun-kissed vibe, despite the Nairobi weather. Now I'm just using my brush that I used to set my under eye area. No product added, just to blend everything together. Yeah. So you see the look? Naona nikitano ile inakaa vizuri. That's the look I was going for. This is actually better in person, baby. Also, now I'm lining my lips using this same pencil I used for my eyebrows, and I made a mistake over there and I didn't want to start concealing because we're doing like a natural vibe, and I'm just following my lip line area. I have big lips or fish lips or whatever, so I don't like overlining. I've never even overlined. I feel like I'm smooching when I overline or I look like I am, because I've never done that. So yeah, just lining the outer parts of my lips, and then throwing on some gloss. You can blend that out. I put a little too much liner. I wish I could have like a lighter liner for that, but it's okay. Then I did gloss. Just look at the difference, the transformation, guys. You see. Sasa we're done with the gloss, or almost. Then I'm gonna do a bit of a highlight on my nose and my cheeks, like the top part of my cheekbone, and then do my, what do we call it, my spray and my mascara. Yes, fine babe. Do you guys see? As in, yani sikata ni kama nimeka makeup sana yenye meshika sana, you know. Hata nikienda ku meet someone's parents, watakuwa like, ule apakangi makeup, you know. Then drown myself in spray because I don't think I like my life and I don't like breathing, so I just don't breathe when I'm spraying myself. Yeah. Spray. Look how it brings everything together. No. Yo. Then mascara, and that's it, guys. Bye. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.